Hi everyone, just a quick video from Greek Street. I've had a couple of viewers comment on some of the other videos about what the project is looking like at the moment, so I thought I'd have a quick nip past. As you can see visually, there's not much difference. So did a zoom in with the drone. Now this is over the top of the Armory pub. You can see it looks like, I'm not very technical obviously, but it looks like they put in mostly foundations between the existing road and the new beams. If anybody does know more technical than that, obviously leave it in the comments. This is over the other side, this is over the top of the Age UK building. So it just looks like that. So there's not visually a lot going on, but I'm sure there is a lot going on that I don't understand. Anyway, I'll keep an eye on the project. If you can check out the playlist if you've not already seen it, and like, subscribe and share, I really appreciate it. And I'll catch you again in the next one. Thanks everyone.